Footsteps trace the glow. I still lace the sleepy lane. Warm tea met my frozen skin. All the lines I drew look thin. Shaky words fall out too soon. Old songs echo in my mind. Seen it play, I know the cue. My heart skips every clue. Yuletide secrets, fake or bright. Silver talks pull me in tight. Wishes blink through glass and gold. Gone by dawn, that's what I'm told. Holiday magic, truth or lie. Should I care? Shadows tap the wall. Cider scent I know by name. Other years have made me pause when delight just slipped its cause. Laughing eyes lead me along. Silent fears keep trailing back. Every bruise became a map. Feels like beating back. Yuletide secrets, fake or bright. Silver talks pull me in tight. Wishes blink through glass and gold. Gone by dawn, that's what I'm told. Holiday magic, truth or lie. Should I care or wonder why? If the smile feels right tonight, then let's know. Fall soft and light. Hope can shine in smaller ways. Only those who stay can see. When the white turns wet and low, will we part or choose to glow? Yuletide whispers, real at last. Do they hold when shadows pass? When the lights go low by night, say you'll hold my hand so tight. The morning drifts in muted gold. It settles where the shadows fold. Within these walls, the rhythm slows. A gentler pulse beneath it grows. I fill my cup, the steam ascends. A hush that holds what never bends and lets my scattered thoughts amend. Here in stillness across the floor in softened streams. The noise outside may rise and fall, but none of it can breach these walls. The evening settles into bloom, a fading rose of twilight's bloom. It guides the calm that fills the room. Here in stillness, the world can wait. No need to rush, no urge to chase. A steady chair, a gentle space. Each mindful pause becomes my grace. This simple life is where I'm blessed. I keep my way. Oh, nothing more, nothing less. I hold on. Oh, there's meaning in a steady stride, and tasks that keep the heart aligned. And while the storms may roam the air, my inner weather stays repaired. Here in stillness, the world can wait. The winds may sweep through distant streets. I hold my pace, my quiet breath, the glow inside untouched by threats. This open life grows step by step. I keep my way. Oh, nothing more, nothing less. I keep on. This morning light hits my face, soft and slow, a sweet embrace. You walk in my world, feels right. Moments glowing clear and bright. Stay in this silent beat. The sky just feels so close. Hold me now, forever, ever. Keep
Your laugh cuts through the morning gloom. It lifts the air, it clears the room. The way you twist your cereal spoon feels like a joke the stars would croon. I count your quirks like coins in jars. They shine like streetlight glow on cars, and somehow pull at all my scars. You are the reason I feel high, the sweet surprise I can't deny. Each chuckle rings a soft hello to joy I found but didn't know. You're all I need, just so you know. You tap your shoes before you run, say left when reaching for the sun. Your coffee's cold, but you don't care. You sip like warmth is always there. You hum a tune with no clear name, still I would sing it just the same. It plays inside me like a flame. You are the reason I feel high, the sweet surprise I can't deny. Each chuckle rings a soft hello to joy I found but didn't know. You're all I need, just so you know. No perfect line, no fancy show, just how you move, the way you slow. I hold those laughs like morning light. They echo and make it alright. You are the reason I feel high. You never try yet with the sky, like sunlight spills and doesn't stay. You light my path in small sweet ways, and loving you just makes my day.
Sunlight skips suddenly, footsteps stretch softly through morning. Somewhere a rhythm hums just behind. When daybreak feels calm, windows grow colder with first beams. Some kind of warmth returns, shaping smiles again. Voices are melting with scars.